celebrated.
Yeah. I must have been sick of the last trip since I started asking. Like, hi, you're in Bahamas. Cut to that clip. Let's go in.
Oh wait, you can see the cruise ships over there.
Yeah.
There's a Royal Caribbean one, and that's Arctic.
Oh my
the
god,
Norwegian
it's so
sky.
sweet.
Yeah. At least it's not rocky over here like the other.
I told you about here, it's rocky. You don't want those currents to get you. And how's it look?
Oh,
Yeah, I'm
another
not gonna go out too far. Oh, mom talking to people.
Say
hi.
Yeah. Hey guys, we're in Nassau, Bahamas.
We're in Nassau, Bahamas.
We made it to the Hammers. And the ocean's lovely.
Jumping Beach.
I told you
The
that.
water's rough though, I heard.
It be less rocky.
Yes, the current.
We're getting pushed around.
Yes, but we're just in the beginning.
Right.
There's other people.
So we go back to Florida tomorrow. So wait, Eva, come on. We gotta bring you back to Florida. Whoa. Hold on. Come back, Lisa. We gotta go back to Florida.
What? Oh.
Right. The last day of the cruise. Or the last day of the cruise. Are you guys ready to go back to Florida?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, ready? Let's go.
Yeah, let's go. Ew, I don't want to touch you. My foot's stuck in the hole. I don't want to come. You're dragging me in. Oh. She's dragging me in. Yeah, I know. That's why I didn't like it. No, we wouldn't like that before. Then I run. Ew. Tara, can we just go there?
Yeah, I hope it's not hot. Eva's on her phone.
Get them ready. So what's that stuff over there?
That's like if you want to pay to go on it.
Is this rocky over here?
I don't, it doesn't look like it. It looks smooth.
Can I go look quick?
Yeah.
Come on. 320?
I don't know. Ew, you dancing.
I like this music. Hey, the other people went to Paradise Island, a beach over there.
Yeah.
They couldn't even go in.
Why?
It was too bad. Oh, Tara, this is scary.
Oh my god.
Oh, Karen. Stop a little. Let's check my message quick.
We're going back to the ship. It's 4:20 and it says all aboard 4:30. And mom's filming too. I'm gonna teach you how to vlog. You're filming? This is our ship. Norwegian sky. And the workers are already starting to pack up. They're gonna leave us here. Hi. Oh yeah, she got her braids. 3 braids. Maybe next time I'll get it. I didn't get any. Now we're back.
Do my hair.
Yeah. When you straighten it, we're gonna go back to the ship and go to the buffet for food.
Today's the last day.
Oh yeah, today's the last full day of the cruise.
It's weird like being in port, right?
Yeah, usually it's a sea day, the last day.
True.
And then we're gonna take showers and go to Cagney Steakhouse with mom's free coupon.
Where is she going?
And then I think we're gonna see a show later. Okay, going back to the ship. See you inside.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I am.
Right now?
It's filming.
Mm-hmm.
Hi guys, we're back in at port. Here, you got windy. Look. I don't know if he's gonna do it in one shot or he's gonna do a 3-point turn.
Look, that's like, oh my god, look at those waves. That's like the real ocean. Like, see how it crashes? That's like the real ocean. That's like a little like part in here.
Yeah.
Like, it's still part of it, but it's scary. It's so cold on the cruise that Tara has to walk around with the blanket on her. Mom's back there. This is the last night of the cruise.
Tired.
I'm not.
Hey, Mom, come this way.
We're going to Splash Academy. I thought that this was a water park, but it's a arcade and a place for kids to play.
Look, Mom, did you know this was here?
Ooh, the arcade. No one's in here. It's loud in here. Oh, and look at the stuffed animals. It looks like Ruby, Bella, and Sophie. Look at the stuffed animals. They look like Ruby, Bella, Sophie.
Where?
See, like the pug. Wait, up there the pug, a white dog, and then like a beagle.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh my God, it's cold in here.
No one's ever in here. Yeah, it's cold everywhere on the ship. We've been freezing in every room. We should have played some games.
I like games.
Me too.
It's only like $1 on my line. I want to swipe it.
Nah. Next time. And we ate at...
There's still people in that room.
There is.
Like workers?
Where? Shit, there's people in here? I don't see no one.
There's some people.
And we ate at Cagney Steakhouse and the food was good.
Good, yeah.
Really good. We ate mostly everything. Now we're going back to the room. We have to pack. It's last night.
Oh.
Oh, surprise! Let me turn the light on.
Go ahead.
Wait, my hands are full.
I'll put on cold, warm.
We put all the lights on.
Yeah. Where's my water? Where's my
Guess what it is? Wait. A towel animal. It's an elephant. Wow.
That's
It's
my
our
favorite.
first one on last day
favorite.
because they stopped making them.
Take my picture with it.
Alright.
Tara, can you use your purse too?
Yeah.
Now.
Let me try it. Mom, be quiet. It's only gonna be blurry. Come on, it couldn't be good for this part. We're like towards the end, right?
Didn't even need a bra. Jessica put this dress here. Since it's a good one out. He likes NCL the best, see? Sammy. Okay.
Oh my god, the worst part.